Now here we've got some calculations involving brackets, and when you see brackets, it's really important to remember that you do what's in the brackets first. So for this first question, we need to work out 2 times 25, that's 50. Then we need to work out 90 divided by 3, that's 30, because 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then if you've got one end zero in the dividend, you need an end zero in the quotient. So we've worked out what's in our brackets, and we have 50 plus 30. That gives us our answer, 80. Now 90 divided by 15 minus 5. We've got brackets, so we need to do what's in the brackets first, and 15 minus 5 is 10. So we work out 90 divided by 10, which is 9, so that's our answer. Now 30 plus 30 divided by 6, but 30 divided by 6 is in brackets, so we work out that first, and then we have 30 plus 5, so our answer is 35. Now we have 2 pairs of brackets, so we have to work out what's in the brackets before we can multiply. So 198 plus 2 is 200. 42 minus 2 is 40. So now that we've found what's in the brackets, we can multiply them together. So 200 times 40 is 8,000. That's because 2 times 4 is 8. And then if we have a total of 3 end zeros in a multiplication question, we need 3 end zeros in our answer. So that's 8,000.